Hello guys, welcome to How To Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to turn off age restriction in Twitter. It's going to be an easy tutorial, so hang on till the end and you will be able to do it in no time. In many regions, including mine, we cannot turn off age restriction in Twitter app. So today, I'm going to teach you guys how to do it in website. First of all, tap open your web browser. Then you have to write twitter.com. Make sure you're logged into Twitter. After logging in, you'll be in a home page, something like this. Then you can see your profile icon in the right upper corner. You have to tap on that. After tapping, a menu will pop up. You can see settings and support at the bottom of your page. You have to tap on the drop down icon. Then you can see settings and privacy on the first option. You have to tap on that. After tapping, you will be in a page something like this, and you can see privacy and safety in the fourth option. You have to tap on that. After tapping, you will be in this page and you can see content you see on the third option. You have to tap on that. Then you can see display media that may contain sensitive content on the first option, and you have to tap on the box besides that and a blue tick mark will appear. After this, you will be able to see any sensitive content without any restriction. So that was it for the video. I hope the video was informative for you guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.